Happy Planner Wednesday. This spread is going to be from May the 20th through the 26th. And what I thought we would do this week, I've had succulents on my mind ever since I went to Lowe's or Home Depot, one or the other, and saw those beautiful succulents. So I made my own stickers, and then I picked this paper that I've had for a while. I think I got this at Joann's. I don't know. I've had it for so long. It was either Hobby Lobby. It might have been Hobby Lobby. I think it was Hobby Lobby. But I think this just reminds me of the different succulents and then the greenery. And then I have this washi. I think is going to be so pretty. And I got it from Michael's in a big tube. And then I'm going to be using either this Bic marker in key lime or lime sorbet, okay? So I think this is going to be such a cute, fun little spread to make, okay? So let's take my pages out of my planner, and I'm so glad everybody loved this little theme I did on the beach. I had so much fun doing that one. Okay, I've decided that I want this paper to be the dominant paper of the spread. I love this paper. It's so pretty. I love these colors that's in this paper. And then I really like this paper as well. It looks so calming, like you would think, you know, if you had succulents it would be. Okay, let's start putting our paper down. That is so pretty. Make sure that I have my colors evenly distributed. That is looking so pretty. It's giving me the exact feel that I wanted for this spread. Oh, I think that is so pretty. I love how that's turning out. Okay, so let's go ahead and put our washi down. Oh, that is cute. I love that little touch of gold. I think it just really adds a little pop to it. That just looks so fun. And then I'm going to go down through here because I really am liking that little touch of gold. Plus, I think it really makes the spread look finished if you do that. Oh, I love it. So, so pretty. That's cute. That is adorable. Okay, like I said, I made my own stickers with my Cricut, or you don't have to have a Cricut to make it, but these are the ones I just Googled images off of Google, and I thought these were so pretty. And I'm going to put this one, I think, oh, about right here. That's so pretty. I got that one a little crooked. And then I think I'll just put this one, this really pretty green one right here. And then I'm going to make sure I have some color over here. So I think I'll put this about right here. This one is so pretty. Put that one right there. And you could cut around these if you didn't want them to go up that far. I think I will put this one right here. Then I thought this one was really cute. I think I'll stick that one right about here. And this one, I may just put right in here. And then we have one more. I thought these reminded me of that DIY that I did with Dollar Tree items, so I definitely wanted to put that in here. Okay, I'm going to put those right there. I think that is really, really cute. So let me just write a few things down that I need to do. I'm going to see if this will show up. Okay, let's put my pages back inside my planner and take a look at this. But I think this turned out really cute. I just love it. So now when I'm in my planner, I can have succulents and I can bring the outside into my planner. That is so pretty. I love this washi. I really do. When I bought it, I knew I had to keep it for something special, and this is what that was. And I love this paper. When I bought it, I wasn't sure, but I knew I would hold on to it, and I love it. And I love these stickers. I think it all turned out so nicely. So if you enjoyed this video, please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Until next time, bye guys.